How to turn on or turn off camera share on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on connected devices. After that, tap on camera share. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on camera share. Now tap on the left hand side panel. In here, so use this phone's camera as a webcam for a nearby Galaxy Book or tablet. For camera share to work, both devices need to have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and camera share turned on. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.